Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Norridge, local and long distance movers near me. We ensure your long distance move happens on schedule with no worry. Hiring our team to assist you means your cross country move is going to go efficiently. The right moving services help make all the difference, and our team offers just what you need for your upcoming move. If you're looking for a basic move or a full service move, our company offers all the options you require, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Whenever you need to hire an Illinois moving company, justifying the expense may seem difficult. A deeper look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you realize why it's a wise decision. To gain the benefits of saving time on your local move, which could be well worth it, it will also keep you from needing to take care of heavy lifting. With our skilled movers, you get a very efficient move throughout. If you really want an efficient moving day, 3 Movers is the best choice for you. We can complete even the largest move in just a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Norridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.